14-2. But now that is ancient history. It's a different game now with the Phone Pals on top as we're knocking on the last 2 minutes of the opening period.
So in an instant, it was a 15-1 run na pinakawalan itong mga Phone Pals. Anchored on better defense and better outside shooting.
Here's Villanueva. They go to Ralini, and he loses the ball. Here's Alapag. Cardona spots up. Oh, sir. Peter Jun Simon loves playing in the open court, but had to step on the brakes. Too many blue shirts in front of him. Here's Kirby Raimundo.
Somehow naging stagnant itong opensiba ng Pure Foods. Nawala yung kanilang advantage nung wala pa si Ralini. Medyo bumagal sila, lumiit na rin nung pagpasok nitong si PJ Simon.
And there's the follow-up mula kay Ali Peak. And it's now a 4-point lead para sa Talking Text.
Parang natulala itong mga taga Pure Foods. At puro inside na kanilang option dito with James Shop out.
That's another miss. Fortunately, the ball ends up with Peter Jun Simon. Bagong shot clock para sa Pure Foods. Under a minute to go in the opening quarter. That's a specialty of the house for Roger Yap.
Pull up na biglang magpapaboarding itong kay Roger Yap. 4 points ito para sa kanya. Kumakatok. Gusto niya ibalik yung kalamangan sa kanila. Pure Foods down by only 2.
Here's Cardona from the corner. DM3 for Cardona. And now it's a 5-point lead for the Phone Pals.
We're talking about the hot outside shooting. 4 3-pointers na ng mga taga-Talking Text. It's the first quarter.
17 seconds to go in the opening quarter. 12 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Here's Roger Yap. Roger Yap makes his move. Villanueva outside Kirby. Swings it over to Peter Jun Simon. And he overshoots. Rebound for Aliado. 1 second to go. They will not have time. But it is mission accomplished para sa Talking Text. They were down by 12. And then they battled back. Jimmy Alapag with 2 big back-to-back triples. Mac Cardona also nailing a triple. And just like that, the Phone Pals are on top 22-17 at the end of the first period. And Mighty Mouse has come to save the day for Talking Text in this do-or-die game.